Now we're looking at the pollen grains, and the mature microgametophyte is one with that pollen tube. Let's go ahead and draw a mature microgametophyte, and in this instance we see kind of the main body of that pollen grain, and then a very long tube. And in that tube, you can see several nuclei. We see 1, 2, and 3. And so the tube nucleus is the one that controls the growth of the tube, and then we have 2 sperm nuclei. One will fuse with the egg, and one will fuse with the polar bodies. And if you look, there seems to be a little halo around this pollen grain, and that's due to a layer protective covering called the pollen, and it really makes the pollen grain very robust. So I'll add some color and then we'll put on the ploidy. Alright, so the pollen does not have a ploidy level because there's no nucleus there. The pollen tube includes the tube nucleus, which is haploid, and then both sperm nuclei are also haploid.